8 Microsoft Word features I wish I knew about sooner. Discovering these Microsoft Word features transformed my workflow. I wish I'd known about them earlier to save time and effort. Smart Lookup is a built-in tool for quick research. Highlight, right-click, and select it to see definitions and images instantly. Voice typing's improved accuracy amazed me. Just click Dictate in the Home tab, Speak, and Word transcribes your words perfectly. Document comparison efficiently tracks changes between versions. Find it in the Review tab under Compare to streamline revisions. Quick Parts saves reusable content like signatures and text. Access it via the Insert tab to quickly add elements to documents. Focus Mode eliminates distractions by hiding toolbars, creating a cleaner workspace. Enable it under the View tab for better concentration. Document Inspector helps remove private metadata before sharing files. Use it by going to File Info, check for issues, inspect document. Format Painter simplifies styling by copying and applying text formats. Click its icon in the Home tab to maintain consistent document styles. Last but not the least, the navigation pane enhances document management. Find it in the View tab to easily navigate, search, and reorder sections in long documents.